go. Alright guys, I'm actually editing right now, uploading the vlog for the next video that's coming up. And I'm actually gonna go get some content tonight for Ca2k24. Finally the meet is tonight, so uploading that, and yeah, I'm gonna get picked up in a bit and we're going in the Turbo Z. So I'll get back to y'all when he picks me up. Alright boys, I made it. Got picked up. We're in the Z again. I guess I'm E85 right now, and then we'll be back on the road. We just filled up that elote. Got the extra jug in the back. Right there. We ready. Hop in the space coupe. It is a 6-speed manual, so look at that, my boy. Shh, getting in the rocket. Squat shit, baby. You know it. Get that little cold start again. Top mount turbo. We ready. Alright, y'all, we're pulling up quietly but deadly. I already see somebody. I know that girl in the sky right there. We are here pulling up to the roll night. Oh, look at, it's the Q50 guys right there. See what we can get some runs tonight. They already know the full carbon Z's here. Ooh, the V's are out. And Beamers. What's up, Pops? Oh yeah, we got the unknown plate on. Just parked up. Look at this 5.0 right here. Crazy. This thing is boosted. Insane. We got a trap in over here again. Look at that. We got the Hellcat from the other night. Got the scat packs. Hellcat. AMG, I think. I'm not sure. But shit. What was this? Look at the Honda Type R on a drag pack. Yes, you got everybody out here. Lambos, Clarence. I already know who this is, but check out this GTR. It's crazy on a fat old tire. Damn, bro, it's crazy. You got that dirty Sprite on the hood. I mean, on the roof. Bunch of shit going crazy. This bike looks crazy. Look at that shit. Damn, that shit looks, the tire looks crazy. I never seen a tire like that on a bike, but it's stretched. The fuck with it. Then we got a Kiro and Eco right there. Got the Hellcat. Ca2k over here. Look, the green calipers is crazy. Seen this one on the freeway. Something crazy. Look at this shit. And look at these Q50s going crazy. You got full carbon in the front, the drags in the back. Look at the fenders. I don't know anything about these cars, but they look quick. Look at the front wheels on the Q50. It's crazy. Another tire. Crazy. They got the twins right here. Fastest car just pulled up. AMG? Sheesh. Dude, look at the headlights. Headlights are carbon. Crazy. Look at this shit. More GTRs. Alright guys, we're rolling out now. Getting active.
boy to me. I'll kiss you on your forehead. You a little boy. Sit down. King's home. It's over.
You know when you're ready. Make a pit stop, guys, get some E. Dude, we got some crazy runs in. We got the Lambo Turbo GTI. And we got AMGs. This thing's putting in work, dude. It's crazy. Shit. But yeah, we're about to get back on the road and meet up everybody else. Yeah, we made it to the spot. It's fucking raining over here. We had to get under the thing. But it's crazy. Everyone's over here. Alright, guys, we're going to the next spot. One, it rained, and CHP was actually here already. One right there, two right there. Shout out to Randy King. But yeah, the spot is burnt. It's wet as fuck over here. Excuse my language, YouTube. But it's wet. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, that's it. Oh, fuck.
That shit fucking serious. We're gonna have to fucking put. Damn.
Wait, there's cars coming. Wait.
I know.
I'm good?
Yeah, we're good. You guys good?
I don't know.
We're good, y'all. Fuck. Yeah, just filling up the Zilla before it takes off. And yeah, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. Share this video because it was crazy. We almost died today, but we made it. The Lord was watching us. Peace, motherfuckers.